Hello students, in this video I will solve question number 6 from exercise number 12.3. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure. Find the area of design. See the figure. In this figure we need to find out area of design. So firstly we'll find out the area of circle, then we'll find out the area of triangle. Afterwards we'll subtract area of triangle from area of circle. Then we will get the required area. First let me write the data given. Given radius equals to 32 centimeter. Therefore area of circle is equals to pi r square. Next step is 22 by 7 and given radius is 32, so we can write it as 32 square. That is equals to 22 by 7 multiply 1024. That is equals to 22,528 upon 7 centimeter square. In this question, they have not given the side of equilateral triangle. So, firstly, we will find out the side of equilateral triangle. Then only we can find out the area of equilateral triangle. Let's see how to find out. Let me take O as center, then join OB and OC. We know that each angle in equilateral triangle is 60 degree. That's why angle BAC is equal to 60 degree. So I am writing here angle BAC is equal to 60 degree, and reason is because it is an equilateral triangle. Next, in class 9th we have studied that an angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it any point on the remaining part of a circle. That's why I am writing here. Therefore, angle BOC equals to twice of angle BAC. That is equals to 2 multiplied by 60 degree. Let me write the reason also. An angle subtended by an arc at the center. This is the reason. Therefore, angle BOC equals to 120 degree. Now, if we observe triangle OBC, in triangle OBC, OB equals to OC equals to same radius, that is 32 centimeter. That means it is isosceles triangle. So angles opposite to equal sides are equal in isosceles triangle. Here already it is 120 degree. This one I will consider as x, and this one also will be as x only because it is isosceles triangle. So I am writing here by angle sum property, angle OBC plus angle OCB plus 120 degree is equals to 180 degree. So I have considered OBC in this figure as x and OCB as x. So I am writing here x plus 120 degree is equals to 180. Next step is 2x equals to 180 minus 120, that is equal to 60 degree. That implies x equals to 60 upon 2 equals to 30 degree. Now we got x value as 30 degree. Now one construction I am doing here. Draw OD perpendicular to BC. OD perpendicular to BC. Why we are doing this one? Because in class 9th itself we have studied one more theorem. Perpendicular drawn from the center bisect the chord. From this construction, firstly we will find out BD. So CD will be also same. Therefore BD equal to twice of BC. Why? Because of perpendicular drawn from the center bisect the chord. Let's see how to find out length of BD. Let me write construction. Draw OD perpendicular to BC. OD perpendicular to BC. In triangle OBD, in triangle OBD, cos 30 degree is equals to, let me draw the figure also here, rough figure. Here B, D and O. Here it will be 90 degree. And here it is 30 degree. And this value 32 centimeter because radius is 32 centimeter. Cos 30 degree is equals to base upon hypotenuse. Cos 30 value you know root 3 by 2 and base is BD upon 32. Now we do cross multiplication. 2BD is equals to 32 root 3. Therefore BD equals to 32 root 3 upon 2, that is equal to 16 root 3 centimeter. We know that perpendicular drawn from center bisect the chord. Bisect the chord. So BD equals to twice of BC. Twice of BC. That is equals to 2 multiply 16 root 3. Next step is 32 root 3 centimeter is the side of equilateral triangle. Now we got side of equilateral triangle as 32 root 3 centimeter. Let me write. Therefore side of an equilateral triangle AB equals to BC equals to CA equals to 32 root 3 centimeter. Therefore area of equilateral triangle is equals to root 3 by 4 into side square. Now let us put the value. Root 3 by 4 multiply by 32 root 3 whole square. Root 3 by 4 and 32 square is 1024. Square root cancel, we will get here 3. Let us do cutting. 2 to the 2, 5, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 5, 6. So after multiplication, we will get 768 root 3 centimeter square as area of equilateral triangle. Therefore, area of design is equals to area of circle minus area of equilateral triangle. We got area of circle as 22,528 upon 7 centimeter square minus area of equilateral triangle we got 768 root 3 centimeter square. This is the required answer.